Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from LG G7 Fit to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both and get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to, and close it by hitting OK. Nextly, after selecting Close in Wait pop-up at the top, click on Send at the bottom left corner of LG. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on LG, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, select all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like Contacts, tap on Allow a couple of times to access your files. After selecting all the desired ones, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and tap on Receive or Download after Watch Ad. You can also scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon above User Guide, closing an ad and tapping on while using the app in the pop-up to allow camera access. Then point your device's camera at the code and wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!